Mr. Driver, where are you going? Mr. Driver! Mr. Driver, where are you going? Oh. Where's Spider-Man? Shelby! Say hi. This is a video. Shin. Spider-Man is there. Yes, Mr. Driver. Stoplight. Green light. Red light. Shelby, you drive. Shelby, you drive. Water. Oy! It can see your ano. You're like Marilyn Monroe. That's Marilyn Monroe. What happened? What happened? Ay, sorry. This place is so nice. Arabian Nights. I'm vlogging. Paki-explain nga ano naman yan.
Ito yung vintage na rep. Before yung mga brand ng mga rep noon is GE. General Electric. Yung kung papansin mo yung mga shape ng mga rep noong araw, bilog siya, bilugan, malaban.
Saan mo nga?
Isa lang. Isa. Wala.
Shelby!
Ito, BMW. Mulin mo ito.
BMW.
This is a BMW, I think it's a 1960s. Very old. Basic engine. Kung papansin niya, the color is black glossy. May combination of chrome.
Bakit, sir, ang dami niyo pong alam? About sa mga lumang
Basta related sa vintage.
Ay, sorry. Hey, Shin! Shin, what are you doing? You gonna refill the gas of our car? Shin, ay Shelby.
Mommy, what does this say?
Wait! No seating or riding.
Ito, ang tawag nila dito, ice cooler. Vintage ice cooler.
Ice cooler?
Ice cooler. Dito nilalagay yung mga soft drinks ng araw.
Ah.
Nilalagyan mo siya ng mga ice.
Oh, Mommy, I want a picture. Mommy. Mommy.
Ay, may
Ay.
dadaan.
Haha, Daddy, look.
Ang ganda naman po sir ng mga collections nyo.
Look at the lagayan, Daddy. Mommy, Mommy.
Diba, bawal siya. Bawal siya makikita.
But only for me.
Mga anak nyo po ba yan?
Daddy, Daddy. But you, it says only for me.
Ba't parang ang kukulit?
Mommy, I want a picture there. I saw
It's not, you're not allowed to sit. Ayan no.
look.
It says no sitting or riding.
Riding.
But
For pictures taking only.
what?
Only for picture taking, but you're not allowed to ride it. To ride on it. Old camera.
This is the old camera. Camera.
Swin? You can ride. It says you can ride. Ayan.
Mommy, put shrimp in the back.
I cannot. I'm taking the video. Giselle. Careful. Okay, one. Say hi. This is a video, Shelby. I'm taking a video.
We're gonna go to the mall and buy so many toys.
What mall?
Ayan mall.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Who's this, Shwin?
Cousin America. Hi, Cousin America. He's our neighbor, right? Yeah. And our
And
other
Shwin, are you having fun?
is Nah.
No?
KFC.
You wanna go home na?
Now.
Oh.
Daddy, what's
Oh, let's go na
that?
daw. Come on, let's go na daw.
Daddy, what
Mahulog.
Daddy, what is this white thing?
For the bowling. For bowling.
KFC man.
This old radio.
Why does he have to? Why
Bakit?
does he like?
Who's that? Shelby, who's that? Grandpa.
KFC.
Okay. Bye. Uy, Shwin.
KFC.
Baby Shwin, oh. Bye. Bye, guys. Oh, careful. Be, sa hagdanan.
Daddy, look. Daddy,
Come on, let's go down. Who's that? We're going home na.
Mommy, I want to go to the mall.
Later. We're going home na.
I don't want to go to the mall.
Shelby,
Bye-bye.
do you want to go back here next time?
Yeah.
Because of the food?
Yeah.
What's your favorite here?
The
What?
milkshake.
Milkshake. Strawberry.
Yeah.
Trin! Yeah, fill up the gas, Trin.
Daddy, what is this? Daddy, yes,
Bring you the cheese na
What? Where? Come on.
change
Best, sino ba to? Bert and...
Sino?
Bert, Ernie. Ah, okay. Bert and Ernie.
Sesame Street. Ito si Bert, ito si Ernie.
Galing, no? Pati mga bote.
Lahat.
Nandiyan dyan sa may ano,
Daddy, look.
Kasi Bugs Bunny.
glass cabinet.
This one.
Tom!
This one. What?
Tom or Jerry? I don't know.
No, it's not Tom.
Ah, Sylvester. Sylvester.
Route 66, lugar yan sa
Daddy,
Amerika.
look, yo-yo.
Pinakasikat sa
Daddy, look,
Amerika.
yo-yo. Look.
Yeah, yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Related na sa luma yan, mga yo-yo.
Then, it. I mean, Adam.
Yan yan. Ito, inabot ko to. Royal Chocolates na to.
Why do they
Hindi
have
ko na
a-
kilala yung mga yan.
Daddy, why do they have a Fanta yo-yo? Why
Ito,
do they
matagal
have...
na yan. Mabuhay. Oo, mabuhay na soft drinks.
Daddy, why do they have yo-yos that has the drinks?
Tignan mo yung Coke dati, naka-imbose pa yung Coca-Cola.
Oo.
Hindi siya yung print na ano, literal na pintura.
Ito, masarap to. Magnolia
Ito yun, no? Yung Magnolia na
na
dinideliver.
chocolate. Yan yung masarap na magnolia eh.
Grabe, hindi ko na inabot to. Mga 1960s to eh.
Wala na yan eh.
Royal soda. Mahal ang value na isang bote. Pagka nakakuha ka ng vintage na bote.
Ayan.
Daddy, for cup na? No, you can't.
That's what you call Mini Cooper. What's that? Telephone booth? This is where Superman changes costume.
Magpapalit si Superman, pumasok sa loob. Paglabas ng telephone mo, naka-Superman na siya. Dapat yung pintura nila dito yung para sa Amerika. Yung bumilikot pa gano'n.
Okay, let's go na guys. Bye. Bye, refilling station. See you again.